Have you ever seen the rain falling soft against the window pane, while you lay there in your bed at night, wondering what you did wrong, holding on so tight?
The thunder rolls so low and deep, memories of her keep you from your sleep.
You replay every word, every smile, every tear, asking the darkness why she's not still here.
Have you ever seen the rain
when your heart is broken?
Feels like the whole world is crying,
and you're all alone, lying in your bed,
staring at the ceiling light, wondering what you did wrong
on this lonely night. The clock keeps ticking,
but time stands still.
your pillow's wet from tears you can't hold back.
You whisper her name into the pouring rain,
hoping somehow she'll come back again.
maybe tomorrow
The sun will shine once more,
but tonight the rain
just keeps on falling, and your broken heart keeps calling.